In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ecwid to your Shopify store. This is a great way to enhance your online business by integrating Ecwid's powerful e-commerce capabilities with your Shopify storefront, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to make sure you're set up correctly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Ecwid control panel. If you haven't already, you can easily access this through your Ecwid account. Logging in will bring you to your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your online store. Here, you'll find various options and tools to help you operate and customize your store effectively. Once you're on the Ecwid dashboard, look for the section labeled Sales Channels. This is the area where you'll have the opportunity to select various platforms where your store can be integrated and engaged with potential customers. Clicking on Sales Channels will provide you with a list of different platforms and site builders where Ecwid can be used. After clicking Sales Channels, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Other Platforms and Site Builders. This is an essential part of the process as it opens up the possibility for Ecwid to be integrated with platforms outside the native systems Ecwid supports. This means that even if you're using a more customized website architecture or an external site builder, you can still take advantage of Ecwid's functionality. Next, what you need to do is add your Ecwid store to Shopify by using an integration code. Ecwid provides an easy-to-use script that can be copied from the control panel. This script needs to be pasted into your Shopify store's theme or the desired page where you'd like the store to appear. It's quite simple. Just copy the code from the Other Platforms and Site Builders section and then proceed to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, navigate to Online Store and then Themes. You'll want to customize your current theme or add the code to a specific page where you wish to display your Ecwid store. Ensure you paste the Ecwid integration code precisely where you want the store to appear. Keeping your site's design and layout in mind, it's important to preview the changes to make sure everything looks and functions as expected. If all looks good, go ahead and save your changes. By following these steps, you are seamlessly integrating your Ecwid store with your Shopify site, expanding your reach and improving your customers' shopping experience. If at any time you encounter issues or have questions, both platforms offer robust support and documentation to help guide you further. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more ways to make the most of your e-commerce capabilities.